this is Amy from Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make an easy crochet baby blanket. I did this in multiples of 10 plus 1 plus 4, and the length for the starting of the blanket is 42 inches. I'm going to do a sample of 31 plus 4, so that's 35 chains just for a sample, and I used medium worsted impeccable yarn with an F hook. Okay, so let's get started. Slip knot onto your hook and create loose chains. You don't want them too tight, and I'm going to create a sample of 35, which is multiples of 10 plus 1 and then plus 4. Then I'm going to yarn over, and in the 5th chain from the hook, the 5th chain, I'm going to work 2 double crochet. So grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and I'm going to create another double crochet in that same stitch. And this type of stitch for this baby blanket is kind of like a wave type of stitch, which you'll see once I finish. And then skip 2 stitches and then work a single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then create a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Skip 2 stitches and then work 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, skip 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. This is all repeat. After this, you'll skip 2 stitches and work the 5 double crochet in the next stitch after these 5 single crochet all the way until you get to the end. Skip the 2 stitches, and then in the last stitch work 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and turn. In each back loop, work a single crochet until you get to the end. Make sure you have the amount of stitches that you're working with to the end. Now chain one and turn. And then work one single crochet in the next 3 back loops. Skip 2 stitches and work 5 double crochet in the next stitch. You will skip 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and you'll repeat that until you get to the end. So you'll have the 5 single crochet and then skip 2, and you'll have 5 double crochet in 1 stitch. Okay, now you're going to skip 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the next 3 stitches to end this row. Then you're going to chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in each back loop until you get to the end. Okay, now you're going to chain 3 and work 2 double crochet in the same stitch in the back loop. And then skip 2 stitches and then work 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. And then skip 2 stitches and work your 5 double crochet. So this row and the second row, you're going to alternate between the two with single crochets in the back loop in between. Skip the 2 stitches and work 3 double crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so now you're going to chain 1 and turn. Work a single crochet in each back loop across. You'll always have your alternating rows with just this row of all single crochets in the back loop. Chain 1 and turn, and then work 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And this is all repeat. So after you do this row, you'll do your single crochets in the back loop, and then you'll want to get bigger on top of this and do a chain 3 with 3 double crochet and alternate between those 2 rows. So now you're going to do your 3 double crochet or your 5 double crochet here, and then skip 2, and then work your 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and just repeat this pattern back and forth between those 2 rows with your single crochets in the back loop in between. And then it creates that wave. You're always going to want to be bigger once it's smaller after your rows, and it's going to get a little bit bigger and smaller. So this is what it looks like, and you're just alternating between those 2 rows, and the single crochet row is always in between those 2 rows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.